How you going, guys? This is Hugh Fennell here. This is my first ever YouTube video of flipping a dirt bike. This is a 2008 yz250f. It has the prototype of ours. It is in alright shape for its year, I guess. It needs some things doing to it, such as all of this plastic vinyl can come off here, because that's just a DIY home job. It has pretty much a brand new front tyre on it. As you can see, it's still got the teats there, and it's about as true as you're ever going to get, so that's a bonus for it. All the brakes are in good working condition. They work well, as you can see there. Yeah, brakes are alright. It's got a FMF power bomb header on it and a Yoshima muffler on it. It's in, yeah, it needs some work doing to it. I am going to put new plastics on it, and that will be the fenders, the side covers, everything onto it, and I will hopefully sell it afterwards. It's got a aftermarket rear shock in it that's for a 65 kilo rider, and it's got Ballard's bar ends on it too, so it has a fair few aftermarket parts on it. It just needs some doing. It's only got 15 hours on the full top and bottom rebuild, and it had a top end rebuild 20 hours ago on the top. I picked this up for $2,300. I'm looking at only spending up to $2,700, as I'll get the new plastics, and they'll be white, by the way, because I feel like that look makes it a bit more newer. I'll get a new seat cover to fit the white plastics, and I will also get a black sticker kit to go on the white plastics, as it makes it look really nice. It's got no mechanical problems at all. It's got good compression, really good compression actually, and it starts up first kick. The only thing that I have been worried about is chain sprockets. As you can see there, you can see a fair bit of light through there, so I'd say be up for a new chain of sprockets, but I don't want to be spending the money on having to get new ones, because I'm trying to keep it as low cost as possible so I can flip it and make some profit off it. It also has a fair bit of oil down here that's come out of that airbox there, and I took the air filter out of it and had a look at it, and it seemed to have been chock-a-block full of air filter oil, which it could be a good thing, as the person I brought it off wanted to maintain it, so they put a lot of air filter oil in it. So I put in a Motor X new air filter in there, and it goes a lot better as it's not as clogged up and need a new air filter. Also got that with the bike. And yeah, the head stem bearings have only just been done. As you can see, they're really, like, I'm only just touching that, and yeah, that's about it. Yeah, righto, I will give a demo of me starting it up now. is it running. I forgot to take the bloody cap off, otherwise it starts up first go. I'm actually really amazed that I even got it going on the first time, as that little plug was in there. But yeah, it's as you can see, it sounds nice, even better with the Yoshi and the power bomb header here. And that was a complete cold start, so I had the choke on, so I took it off. Yeah, tell us what you think in the comments, and have a good one. And like and subscribe. Right, see ya.